Welcome to CloudFormation Fundamentals, where we explore infrastructure as code using Amazon Web Services' native solution. This is part of our Amazon Web Services DevOps series, designed to help you automate and streamline your cloud infrastructure management. In this tutorial, we will cover the essential concepts, benefits, and practical applications of CloudFormation, giving you the foundation needed to start managing infrastructure through code rather than manual configuration. Infrastructure as code, commonly abbreviated as IaC, is a modern approach to managing and provisioning infrastructure through machine-readable definition files, rather than relying on physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. Instead of manually clicking through consoles or running commands one by one, you write code that describes exactly what infrastructure you need. This code becomes the source of truth for your entire infrastructure setup, making it possible to version, review, and deploy infrastructure just like application code. Infrastructure as code brings 4 major advantages to your workflow. First, speed. You can deploy complex infrastructure in minutes instead of spending days on manual setup. Second, consistency. By using the same code everywhere, you eliminate configuration drift and ensure all environments match perfectly. Third, version control. Track every change to your infrastructure, understand who made what modifications, and roll back to previous configurations when needed. Fourth, reusability. Write your infrastructure code once and deploy it multiple times across different projects, regions, or accounts. Amazon Web Services CloudFormation is the native infrastructure as code service provided by Amazon Web Services. It allows you to model and provision all your Amazon Web Services resources using either JSON or YAML template files. With CloudFormation, you describe your desired infrastructure state in these templates, and the service automatically handles the provisioning and configuration of resources in the correct order, managing dependencies and ensuring everything is set up properly. CloudFormation has 3 core concepts you need to understand. First, templates. These are JSON or YAML text files that define all the Amazon Web Services resources you want to create, along with their properties and configurations. Second, stacks. When you deploy a template, CloudFormation creates a stack, which is a collection of Amazon Web Services resources managed as a single unit. You can update, delete, or manage all resources in a stack together. Third, change sets. Before making updates to existing stacks, you can preview how your changes will impact running resources, allowing you to review and approve modifications before they take effect. Here is what a basic CloudFormation template looks like in YAML format. Every template starts with the Amazon Web Services template format version, which specifies the template version you are using. The description field provides a human-readable explanation of what the template does. The most important section is resources, where you define all the Amazon Web Services resources you want to create. In this example, we define an EC2 instance with a specific instance type of T2 micro and an Amazon Machine Image ID that determines which operating system to use. CloudFormation templates consist of several sections. The resources section is required and must contain at least one resource definition. This is where you specify what Amazon Web Services to create. Parameters are optional and allow you to input custom values when creating or updating stacks, making templates more flexible and reusable. Outputs, also optional, let you export values from your stack that can be used by other stacks or displayed after deployment. Mappings provide key-value pairs that enable conditional logic, allowing you to use different values based on conditions like region or environment. The CloudFormation workflow follows 4 main steps. Step 1. Write your template by defining all resources, their properties, and relationships in JSON or YAML format. Step 2. Upload your template to Amazon Web Services, either by storing it in an S3 bucket or uploading it directly through the console or command line interface. Step 3. Create a stack using your template, and CloudFormation automatically provisions all the resources in the correct order, handling dependencies between resources. Step 4. Manage and update your infrastructure by modifying the template and updating the stack, allowing CloudFormation to intelligently apply only the necessary changes. CloudFormation provides several powerful benefits. First, automated provisioning with dependency management. CloudFormation automatically determines the correct order to create resources and manages all dependencies between them. Second, built-in rollback on errors. If something goes wrong during stack creation or updates, CloudFormation automatically rolls back to the previous stable state, protecting your infrastructure. Third, no additional charge. You only pay for the Amazon Web Services resources you create, not for using CloudFormation itself. Fourth, cross-region and cross-account deployment. Easily deploy the same infrastructure across multiple Amazon Web Services regions or accounts, enabling consistent multi-region architectures. Let us compare manual infrastructure setup with CloudFormation. Manual setup is time-consuming, requiring you to configure each resource individually through the console or command line. It is also error-prone since human mistakes are inevitable when performing repetitive tasks. Manual configurations are hard to replicate consistently across environments, have no version history making it difficult to track changes, and result in inconsistent environments over time. In contrast, CloudFormation is fully automated, saving hours of manual work. It is reliable and repeatable, producing the same results every time. Templates are easy to replicate across multiple environments. Everything is version controlled for complete change tracking, and all environments remain consistent since they are created from the same code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.